If you import goods from overseas, you've probably felt this before. The exchange rate moves and your profit on each shipment moves with it. Not ideal when you're trying to plan your costs. So instead of guessing what the market will do next, here's a simpler way. Lock in today's exchange rate and use it later. That's exactly what an FX forward contract does. Let me show you how it works with WorldFirst. First, let me show you how to book an FX forward contract with WorldFirst. Say you have a 2-year-long contract with your supplier and you'll be paying them in US dollars. Here's how easy it is to lock today's rate. You start by logging into your WorldFirst account. On the left side, open the FX section. You'll see Book FX Contract, tap that. Choose your currencies. Here we're going to sell GBP and buy USD. Enter your amount. Once that's in, pick the date you'll need the money. It can be any time up to 2 years out. Give everything a quick look, hit confirm, and that's it. You've locked in your rate and your peace of mind. Next, let's make a drawdown on the FX contract you just created on payment day. From your World account dashboard, go to the FX section. Scroll to FX Activities and open FX Trades. You'll find your forward contract in the list. Just click Add Payment, choose your payee, hit Next, and enter the amount you want to draw down from the contract. We'll automatically calculate the rest for you. Select the payment date, authenticate with Authy or SMS, and confirm. Just like that, you've paid at the rate you locked in months ago. Fast, predictable, and totally stress-free. With WorldFirst, FX risk becomes one less thing you need to worry about. You stay in control, you protect your margins, and your business keeps moving forward without guessing where the exchange rate will go next. If you want to try it for yourself, check out the link in the description and follow us for more quick payment tips and smart ways to trade globally.